Here's a patio covering, and it goes over to the roof there, and that gutter has been getting clogged too, so I gotta rinse this one out too. But there's actually something else I have to do to this one, and I'll show you that in a minute. But check this out. There's no connection down there, and I still have to take this downspout down. Now, what's up with that? Stick around and I'll let you in on a secret. Here's a hint. It has something to do with the actual size of the downspout. This downspout is 2 inches deep and 3 inches wide. Remember that. Now this downspout wasn't clogged at all, but there's a reason why I took that down. Let me show you. It's actually pretty crazy. See that hole right there? That's where the downspout was. Now remember, it was 2 by 3. See this hole up here? This is 1 inch in diameter. They drilled a 1 inch hole. They didn't go the extra mile and cut it out to 2 by 3 or 1.5 inches by 2.5 inches, something like that, to make that hole bigger. All it takes is a few leaves to cover that up, and then you've got that nice channel of gutter being blocked up. And that's what was happening. This whole gutter system right along here, it went all the way. Look at that. Went all the way down to there. And that was clogged up, and it was running over the top, all because that hole was too small. Now see, if that was a normal gutter, I could just take some tin snips and kind of cut that out, but this ledge right here is preventing me from getting in there and cutting that properly. So I'm wondering, how am I going to cut that bigger? What would you do at this same predicament? I've got an answer. Do you? I think it's going to work too.